Hello, I'm Ben, and I'm going to give you your Cayuga Nature Center Tompkins County forecast from Friday, February 16th, 2024 through Sunday, February 18th, 2024. So to give a brief overview of what the pattern looks like this weekend, it's going to be a pretty active weekend. We see a low pressure system moving off to our east on Friday, another low pressure system developing Friday night to Saturday and moving off the eastern seaboard just south of the region, and then another low pressure system moving up into the southern Canada area into Sunday, just north of our region. So we see those three low pressure systems that impact the mid-Atlantic and the New England area through Sunday. Now, if we look at Ithaca specifically, this is the forecast for Ithaca Airport, and this is what's called an ensemble forecast. So we have quite a few different slightly adjusted models that we're running, and we're seeing how each of these models forecast the temperature for the next 3 days. And this blue line is freezing right here, and we see in all but a few models, most of these models show that temperatures remain below freezing all weekend. So it's going to be quite a chilly weekend out there all 3 days. Now, looking at Friday, for the remainder of the day, we expect highs in the upper 20s in the hills to lower 30s in the valleys, and lows in the upper teens in the hills to mid 20s in the valleys. Those breezy morning winds will weaken through the evening, and we will be left with mostly cloudy conditions and perhaps some isolated snow showers during the remainder of the day. Now, overnight, we may have some light snow associated with that low pressure system that's moving just south of the region through about Virginia and the mid-Atlantic, but accumulations will be limited to 0 to 1 inch, so quite low accumulations with that. And then Saturday, we do expect slightly colder conditions, actually, in terms of high and low temperatures, with highs in the upper 20s in the valleys to mid 20s in the hills, and lows in the lower teens to upper teens around Tompkins County. So that light snow that may occur Friday night into Saturday will end early in the morning Saturday, but we will have northwest winds blowing off of Lake Ontario, and we could have some scattered lake effect snow showers throughout the afternoon and evening. And we will have temperatures actually peaking in the afternoon, and then that northwest wind will bring in frigid air by Saturday evening into the overnight hours. And then finally, looking at Sunday, we expect highs in the upper 20s to mid 30s with lows in the upper teens to mid 20s. We may have the sun poke out at times, so we have partly cloudy conditions for much of the day. Isolated snow showers may occur in the evening or overnight in the Finger Lakes area. Temperatures, however, will remain chilly, still in those upper 20s to mid 30s, and we will actually have breezier conditions at times. Winds could be up to 20 miles an hour with perhaps higher gusts. But I should point out here the winds are out of the southwest, so they're not going to be blowing across that lake and bringing a lot of these lake effect snow showers to the region. That could limit the amount of snow showers that we get Sunday, especially earlier in the day.